Hey beauties, welcome back to my page. You're here with your girl Chambre, and today we are doing a review on this badass unit. Can we get into her? Can we? Yes. Normally I don't do wig reviews, but I felt like she is just so fire. We all know sharing is caring. I'm gonna give you guys the deets on where to get her. If you are looking for a wig to purchase and you don't want to spend that much money, she's your girl. They didn't name her, they're mad disrespectful. They call her number 15. Anyways, go online and order her. I know I'm not getting paid to promote this wig, I wish, but she is amazing. So before we get into it, if you are not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button now, that notification bell, because I have so much more for you guys. You gotta stay tuned. So hit that notification bell, that subscribe button, and let's get right into it. So for today's review, I will be reviewing It Is Boy model clean cap wig. So here is the card. So you have the details on the front. Can I just say, by the way, the company model, you guys are mad disrespectful for not naming her. She's number 15. She deserves a name. She is bomb. Like, for a synthetic wig, I have either 2 or 3 straight cut bangs. This is by far the best so far. Like, anyways, so this wig can actually go up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. You can apply heat. It comes in different colors. I normally just do 1B, so this is in the 1B. I don't do the whole heap of colors. On the back of the card, gives you instructions on the back on how to wash and maintain. So I'm normally really bad when it comes to wigs. Like, after work, when I get home, you get tossed. I've been wearing this for a week now, and I can say when I first wore it, very soft. Like, even now it's still very soft, and I mean, it's not too thick, it's not too thin. Like, it has that nice natural look, the bangs, everything about it. Most of my wigs, I go in and I cut, trim, you know. For her, I didn't have to do nothing, like absolutely nothing. Put on my stocking cap and go about my business. Like, I had to do nothing. So I have no complaints when it comes to that. Like, I will say, so there's not much shedding. Like 1-2 strands come out, which is expected, especially like you can legit run your fingers through her. Like, no complaints. You move, she moves with you. You know, some of them synthetic wigs are stiff, like, I don't know. But the other day, windy out here. I'm in Canada, by the way. If you're from the US, shout you out. Thanks for watching. I'm in Canada and it's mad windy. Like, she blows, okay? She blows. Enough people, many compliments on, assumed it was natural. Like, oh, you cut your hair and straightened your hair. No, she's just that bomb. Yeah, normally I'm not too pleased when it comes to synthetic wigs. Like, for what you get what you pay for. Call it what it is. Like, it cost me $15, $14.44, but I just say 15. Who else? Like, yeah, $14.44. No, we're gonna say $15. Anyways, I mean, I paid $15. You get what you pay for, and believe me, this unit is a good buy. I bought her on Sam's Beauty within like 3 or 4 days, not even. I'm in Canada, Sam's Beauty is in the US. Within like 2 or 3 days, I got the wig. So I was extremely happy with that. So shout out Sam's Beauty. And yeah, so if you take in the cut, it's a longer cut at the front, straight cut bangs, and the back cut a little higher. But yeah, so there's the back. She moves. I mean, like, we don't have any complaints. No, I'm just joking. But anyways, no, I absolutely love this wig, and everybody like, Chambray, why do you buy synthetic? I am completely natural. I do not trust the glue. Like, I see many girls gluing and the hairline is gone. I don't trust it, so I stick to my synthetics. This synthetic, you're good. You're good to go. A nice protective style. My hair is protected underneath. I have no complaints. Like, I didn't have to cut or do anything. So I'll show you the inside as well. So there's a longer comb here and a small one at the back. And of course it has its adjustable straps for, of course, your head's a little bit smaller. My hair is fairly thick. My head's not the smallest. So I think it'll fit medium to large, small. Like, the capping is very, sometimes you get some wigs and like you're stretching and pulling, and no, like this is amazing. Like, I just love it. I don't know what else to tell you guys besides go buy her. $15, no complaints, amazing price. Like, I love it. So anyways, if you guys have any comments for me in regards to like fees, anything, like how she lasted, because this is only the first week, of course, but so far, and I mean, I don't treat my wigs the greatest, so far for a week, I love it. Like, if you're looking for a reasonable price, nice wig, go buy her. No complaints at all. And I mean, you can apply heat. Like, I just love it. Anyways, any questions, comments, leave it down below. You just want to say hi, I respond. But again, if you aren't subscribed, hit that subscribe button, because again, I don't really do hair reviews, but I just love this wig, so I was like, you know what, I gotta share. But anyways, go subscribe, hit that notification bell so you one of the first to see the videos. And yeah, give this video a thumbs up, 2 thumbs up. No, I'm joking. Give it a thumbs up if you like this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.